Asif's question was that he went back to his hometown, and he is saying that the issue of giving da'wah to the people. Now, how is that to be done? The issues you're asking about, unfortunately, are prevailing nowadays among the Muslims. Celebrating birthdays. This is, in the vast majority of Muslims who are not practicing, is a normal thing. They tell you that this is not part of their religion, and there's nothing wrong in it. We say it is not part of their religion, but it is part of their customs. So you are imitating the disbelievers. Something the Prophet did not do, alayhi salatu wasalam, or his companions, or the tabi'een, or the tabi'at tabi'een. Picking it up and adopting it is inappropriate for a Muslim. It's sinful. The Prophet said, in the hadith of Abdullah ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with the man, with his father, وَمَنْ تَشَبَّهَ بِقَوْمٍ, and whoever imitates a people, he is from among them. So imitating the people in what it is only theirs. When I travel, I wear a t-shirt and a pair of jeans. Am I imitating the kuffar? No, the vast majority of Muslims wear it. If I'm invited into an official occasion, I wear a suit. But if I were to put a Texan hat, this is worn only by the kuffar. This is not permissible. If a woman wears a kimono, I think it's called, I don't know. The Japanese women dress, which is make them very tight and walk like inches every step of the way. This is imitating the disbelievers. This is not our customs. We are not allowed to imitate them. We have our own traditions and dignity and dress code, and we're identified by it. So this is totally different. Celebrating birthdays, and even worse, Christmas. Christmas is something religious. New Year's is not religious. It's according to their customs and imitating the disbelievers in it. These things are unfortunately prevailing among the ignorant, among the Muslims. How to give them da'wah? You have to look at the bigger picture, akhi. Don't focus on the small things, because it will be an issue of debate, on and off, on and off. But give them da'wah in the bigger picture. And that is by having them love to follow the Quran and to follow the Sunnah, to appreciate the dignity and the honor they have in abiding by the Sunnah, to appreciate the pride of Islam by not imitating the disbelievers. Generally speaking, once you build this up, once you build the love of the Sunnah in every single thing in their lives, it would be easy for you, inshallah, to redirect them and tell them that we have to leave this for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. See, I always give the same example, and it's a beautiful example, and this is why I always repeat it. Life, our lives, is a big picture. Islam is a frame. In Islam, we're told to put this frame and cut all the loose edges from the sides of our lives. So we have to cut all our desires, or our wishes and habits and customs and hobbies that go out of the frame of Islam. Once we do this, Islam fits like a glove over our lives, and we are properly considered to be proper practicing pious Muslims. If you fail to do this, you're not a proper Muslim. You're not a practicing Muslim, because the people now say, oh, I cannot give up this hobby. I love this wish that I have, these desires, these habits. So they start to break the edges of the frame and bring duct tape and bring extensions of wood and use nail and hammers to reform this frame. Eventually you have a distorted frame that fits your life, but this is not Islam. It's a new thing. It is not the frame of Islam that fits your life, and I hope this answers your question.